Okay, it's just coming out the end here. I'm working on a Triumph TR-6 cylinder head here. I got brand new valve guides in it. I just finished grinding the seats. Now I'm getting ready to service it, but look. They use fine threads in the head. That's a bad idea. You know, this whole engine's a bad idea. Let's get this head serviced in a minute. Meanwhile, I got this all leveled up in my machine. I had to get a little creative here because all these studs are in the way. Hey, something I want to tell you. Whenever you're bolting a head into a machine like this, you want to have the feed going away from this plate where it pushes down on that jack stand underneath there. Here's that jack stand. And what happens is the cutter spinning this way attacks the front of it and can lift the front of that head because the jack stand's on the wrong side and the head's mounted backwards. You mounted, let me power it down. This has a power feed down. Turn it on. Come down and make a witness. Listen for it to hit. There it hit. Let's go to the other end. Come down at the other end, let's check it. Let's see how we did. Hitting all the way across just like we like. Okay, it's just coming out the end here. This thing was actually pretty flat. Shut her down. There we go, just finished it all up. Look at that. Uh-oh. What's that hole doing? Looks the same on this end. I think I forgot a valve. Hey, I found it. No, hey, I wanted to show you something. So I have 3 valves here plus the Triumph. Look how the retainer is designed. Got keepers. This is called a rotator. So the valve rotates while it runs. Keeps from creating hot spots, keeps the valves cooler that way. A lot of manufacturers do this. Here's a small block Chevrolet, but it's one piece. Here's a 302 Ford Windsor, same valve setup, same thing. This is kind of like the Triumph though. It's got this little inner retainer, if I can get it apart, just like the Triumph, 2 pieces. This is out of an FE Mazda or an F2. A 2-liter 2.2. This rotates also on the exhaust. It does it by using keepers that don't fit tight on the stem. If you're doing one of these heads, these exhaust keepers are black. Here's an intake on that same engine. See how it's silvery? Don't mix them up. You guys thought I was going to pick on that Triumph motor again, huh? Told you. Okay, I got that fixed. Hey, we upgraded this and put a valve stem seal on it. From the factory, it doesn't have a seal. So on the engine compartment, you get this warning. Here's a special port to add oil. This comes from the factory to let you know what to do. Hey, look at the deck on this thing. It's recessed way down in here. Isn't that crazy? The block's all bored and honed. One of the rods I resized the other day, put new pin bushings in it. Look how the parting line's crooked. They made it crooked so it'll fit down in the bore. Look, here's a rod out of a Honda B-Series. If they would have just made the damn thing smaller, it would have fit in the bore. Triumph kind of, you know, I keep saying all this stuff about Triumph, but I don't mind doing it. I really don't. Who else is going to do it? You take this thing to a regular shop, they might go, hey, we don't work on this. I ain't afraid of nothing. That's a stupid thing to say. And there's David.
He owns a British car.
I own 3 of them, actually. I wasn't supposed to let you guys know that. I've been kind of hiding that fact. I actually have a 55 Austin pickup. It's pretty cool. Here's a couple pictures of it. I actually put an 1800 engine out of a MGB little car, as well as the transmission. It's got a 4-speed with an overdrive. I put front disc brakes on it. Big project for me. Had a bunch of chrome done. I paid body shop $6,500 to put it in primer, like you see it there in that picture. I might get that thing up and painted this year. I hope, maybe. Anyways, this was supposed to be a short video, and look what happened. I just babbled and babbled, didn't I? There's Bear. He's telling me to be quiet, huh, Bear? Hey, Bear, you got anything to say to the fans? No? Oh, buddy, he's a good dog. I love my boy. Hey, I appreciate you guys coming along and following me along. I got over 6,000 of you following me around, so I must be doing something you like. Maybe you're making fun of me in the background. Go ahead. I don't mind. You come back and see me again, and thanks for watching. You guys be nice, all right? Bye.